Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying no voltage with a tester. Safety first. Next, grasp the trim and compress the spring clips while easing the trim out. Do this slowly to avoid tearing drywall. If the lamp is integrated, remove the bulb or module first, and note how the trim and clips fit into the ceiling so you can reverse it. Once the trim is out, you can see the housing edge and access the next set of fasteners and wires. With trim removed, pull the recessed can down until spring tension releases. Support the housing so it doesn't yank the cable. Open the small junction box on the can, loosen screws, remove the cover, and open wire connectors. Disconnect neutrals, hots, and ground in sequence and cap them temporarily. Label or photograph each connection so reassembly is foolproof. If the housing is held by clips or bars, unfasten those next. Make sure the housing is fully free before attempting to remove it from the ceiling. Once wiring is disconnected and the housing free, retract the retention clips or unscrew the mounting bars and carefully extract the can from the ceiling. Keep a hand on any loose insulation. To finish, inspect the opening and repair drywall as needed, add a backing, tape, and apply 2 thin coats of joint compound, sanding between coats for a flush finish. Reinstall a new fixture or install a blanking plate, restore power, and test. If you still detect voltage, stop and recheck connections and the correct breaker. That's the main troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.